Good morning, students. This is my second tense review, and in this video, we will learn simple past tense. This video is prepared by Yogen Singh, and now I'm going to start the formalities of this tense. Simple past tense. Student, we use this tense for following purposes. Number one, to narrate a story. If we want to narrate the story, then we need simple past. This is the most comfortable tense in which you can narrate a story. Next is to report an incident. If you want to report an incident to anyone that had happened in the past, then you can use this simple past tense. Third one is to describe what had happened. So, suppose somebody is asking you, okay, what had happened yesterday, then it is simple past that can help you, and you can describe the incident easily. Next is to describe a past habit, a habit that you have left over. If you want to describe it, then you can use simple past tense. And next, to tell something from past life. If you want to narrate something, if you want to tell something that had happened in your past life, then you can also use simple past tense. Now coming towards making of the sentence. First, we are going to have some affirmative sentences. To make affirmative sentences, we always use the formula subject plus second form of verb plus object. Student, I would like to tell you here that second form of verb is only used in simple past. No place in English grammar is given to this second form of verb. It is the only place. It is the only place where second form of verb is given importance. So now, having some examples, I had my breakfast. They took me to the ground. My mother prepared the delicious food. You sent me an email. I hope now you easily can make sentences in simple past tense and using the second form of verb. For example, I liked to fly the kite. Now going towards negative sentences. Yes, in negative sentences, uh, you have the help of the formula subject plus did not. As we have in present do not and does not, same we have did not in simple past tense, plus first form of verb is used with it than your object. Now you may have some examples. I did not have my breakfast. They did not take me to the ground. My mother did not prepare the delicious foods. You did not send me an email. I hope now you are able to make negative sentences of simple past. Now you may practice this. For example, I did not have my lunch. I did not complete my homework. The farmers did not harvest their crop. My father did not come back. These are some negative examples. Yeah. Now comes the third formula. That is called interrogative sentences, or we have to ask question. Then how we can use simple past to ask questions. So for formula it is did plus subject plus first word of verb plus object, and lastly the question mark. Now you have some examples. Did I ever ask you to come? Did they take me to their home? Did you try this project? Did you come here to tease me? Did you learn something? Did you like this flower? Did you learn something? Did you watch the movie? Yes, these are some examples of interrogative sentences. This is all about the sentences that we can make in simple past tense. Now we have some special provisions. Yeah, some special provisions of simple past tense. In provisions, we will like to learn first. Did can be used in affirmatives to emphasize an action. Yes, earlier we have studied that did it used in negative sentences in and interrogative sentences. But you can use it in affirmative sentences. But why it is used? It is used when you want to emphasize on an action. For example, Roma did collect the donation from me. She did design the dress for national flag. Rooney did promise to join the mission. In this way, we can use did in affirmative sentences and first form of verb follow afterwards. Next provision is to tell habitual fact. As in starting, I have told you that you can use habitual fact to tell your past habits. So how to make sentences to make habitual fact in simple past? We need to use to or would. Examples are here. Roman used to live a free life. She would complete her work in time. Rooney would remember you twice in a day. They all are habits. We are just narrating how a habit or how a habitual fact can be shown in simple past tense. You may use these two words, used to and would, to make your own sentences. For example, I used to walk in the morning. They would come to my home on Monday. When we are telling about habits, then we need used to or would in simple past tense. Now this is last, use of adverb. Yes, there are some time adverb that are only used in simple past tense, and some of those time adverbs are yesterday, last, previous, ago, long ago, before, after. They are the time adverb that report us. Thus, this sentence will you have to make in simple past tense. Now examples are given. Rohit met me in the market yesterday. Long ago she lived in Allahabad. Rooney promised to join the mission last week. I hope my student now you understand simple past tense. Thank you. Thank you very much.